Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Sarap na.
There she was, just walking down the street singing.
Yo mga kaduo. For today's video, panibagong kalokohan na naman. Meron ako dito ng ito, mini ice cream. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Yan mini ice cream tapos with a twist.
What?
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Umanda kayo. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
What?
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ra.
Yeah.
Meron ko dito. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ito. Mini. Ice cream.
What?
Masarap to. Tikman mo.
Anong flavor yan?
Di ba favorite yung ice cream?
Yes.
Ano to? Buko pandan.
Ano pa yan?
Ice cream na buko pandan. Tingnan mo na. Ice cream yummy.
Yung na ako niluluto.
Tingnan mo na.
Ice cream.
Cream yummy.
Paano
Ice
yan?
cream good.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ala,
Yeah.
sinama na.
Tingnan mo. Sarap yan.
Sobra.
Ice cream
Ice
yummy. Ice
cream
cream
yummy,
good yan.
ice cream yummy, ice cream
sarap
good.
na.
There she was, just walking down the street singing.
Tina. Tingnan mo to. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Tingnan mo. Madilim dyan. Tingnan mo. Ano to? Mini ice cream cone. Yay. Tingnan mo ano. Di ba burrito niya buko pandan flavor yan. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Wala na akong tiwala sa'yo.
Ay, di. Masarap yan. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo nga. First bite.
There she was, just walking down the street singing.
Di ba masarap yung ice cream?
Sarap to.
Buko pa dun eh. May dalinis. May cheese na gitna.
Cheese nga to.
There she was, just walking down the street singing.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Teka, parang nasa plan.
Yummy.
Ano to? Buko, pandan, flavor.
Ay.
Say
Ano?
Ano?
There she was, just walking down the street singing.
Ay! Ano yan?
Toothpaste!
Uy! Hindi tubo yan? Toothpick!